Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to create conditional column in Power BI Query Editor. So for this, we'll go on Power BI. I will select the data file which is conditional. Open. Now I'll click on the master table. To activate the Power BI Query Editor, it is necessary that you click on Transform Data. Now this marks we want to convert into grades. So click here, Add Column, Conditional Column. Activate from here marks. If marks are greater than or equal to 80, then the grades will be distinction. Add the clause. Else if marks are less than or equal to 50, then we will say fail. Or else first class. And we will give the new name to this column, and that is grade. Click OK. And you can see it has given us the output. So this is how you can create the conditional column in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share the videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter, link given in the description box.